Guys, this might be one of the strangest cables I've ever tested. At first glance, it looks like a tiny USB-C cable, but then you start opening it up and you realise there's quite a bit more going on here. Some of it is genuinely clever, and you know what, some of it is slightly mad, but actually pretty useful. So if you want to see whether the Aohi Prometheus is actually useful everyday carry tech, or just the idea of a madman, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, today we're taking a look at the Aohi Prometheus EDC cable. Now, this isn't really just a normal desk cable. It's more of an everyday carry accessory for your bag, tech pouch, glove box, or anywhere that you want a small cable that does a bit more than just charge your phone. Now guys, this weighs around 28 grams, so it's dead light. It's made from titanium alloy, so it's strong, and the cable itself is about 6 inches long. So you know what, it's not designed to stretch across a desk, it's designed to be the cable you actually have with you when you need one. Now guys, before we get into it, Aohi did send this over to me for me to take a look at and give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and you've got a bit of an instruction manual, well, a card really, which just explains the basic functionality of this. And then guys, you've got the cable itself, and that's it. And first impressions are, this feels really solid. It's got that small titanium feel to it rather than feeling like a cheap novelty gadget. You've got magnets on either side, which are strong, so you can attach it to a lanyard, clip it to a carabiner, or just clip it to your bag, or keep it in your bag even. And to access the cable, you pull it out from the body, and that gives you USB-C on both ends. And when you're done, it slots back into place and the whole thing stays compact and self-contained. Now, the main feature here is obviously the charging cable. This supports up to 240 watts. So with the right charger and the right device, it can handle things like a MacBook, phone, power bank, camera, tablet, or anything else using USB-C. And that's the useful bit for me. I mean, I'm not short of cables, so having something this small and convenient that can live in my pocket definitely makes sense to me. Now, what else? Yes, because there's more. It also supports data transfer up to 480 megabits per second. So it's not a Thunderbolt cable, and I wouldn't buy it purely for moving huge video files around. But you know what? For basic transfers, SSD checks, or moving smaller files, it gives you another option. Then dig a bit further. Yes, there is more. We've got a hidden blade. You twist it out for the body, use it, and I can tell you now, it's pretty darn sharp, and then twist it back safely again so it's all safely tucked in. And you know what guys, because it's titanium, like I said, it is sharp. So obviously a bit of common sense when you're using it. But for opening packaging, cutting a cable tie, trimming a cord, or anywhere where you think you might need something sharp, this definitely makes sense. Now, it's not trying to replace a proper knife or toolkit, but you know what? As something tucked inside a cable that you already have with you, you know what? I get it. And then guys, yes, there is more again. On the other side, you've got the USB-C powered ceramic lighter. You plug the Prometheus into a USB-C power source like a power bank or a phone, open the lighter section, press the button, and the ceramic element heats up. Again, please be sensible when using this. It's not something to mess about with, but as an emergency style ignition source, like if you're out and about camping, or you just need to start a fire, it's a clever idea. There's no gas, no fuel and nothing to refill. As long as you've got a USB-C power source, you can use it. And that's really the gist of this product. It's a short USB-C cable, a small cutting tool and a USB-C powered lighter, all packed into this tiny titanium body. Now, there's one issue that I found with the USB connector length. Because the connector is quite short, if you've got a chunky phone case, it might not quite reach the port properly. But luckily for me, wrong end, luckily for me, on this phone, not a problem. So you know what, if you've got a chunky case, you might need to remove it to use the power source, but you know what, if you haven't, then all good. So no deal breakers there, but it's worth knowing before you buy it. So guys, there you have it. The Aohi Prometheus EDC cable is definitely not your average USB-C cable. The 240 watt charging is probably the feature that most people will use day to day. But you know what? The hidden blade, the USB-C powered lighter and magnets, and the fact that it's titanium and waterproof, I'll tell you what, it makes it feel more like a proper everyday carry gadget. If you want a long cable for your desk, this isn't the one. But if you want something compact, solid, genuinely useful to keep in a bag, I do think that this is a clever bit of kit. Just watch out for that short USB-C connector if you use a thicker phone case. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you could pick this up at the discounted price for only $45.99. I'll also leave any links and any further discounts in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Aohi for sending me this cool Prometheus EDC cable to review. I'm Dave for Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.